Seedance 1.5 just dropped, and honestly, it's the best video model right now when it comes to audio, speech, and lip syncing. It's not even close. Seedance 1.5 is a native audio video model, meaning that it can generate the voice in the video together, similar to Veo, Sora, and Kling. But after testing all of them side by side, Seedance does something that the others struggle with. The lip sync actually matched the audio perfectly. The mouth shapes are on spot, frame by frame, there's no weird stretching, and no robotic audio.
For the last decade, our smartest devices have demanded our eyes. They trapped us behind glass, but technology shouldn't take you away from the world. It should help you experience it. Is the first computer you don't look at. You look through.
It does feel way more realistic. So that fake AI look that you usually notice in the talking videos is basically gone. Kling 2.6 and Veo 3 still have that lip morphing problem where the mouth does look like it's sliding instead of speaking sometimes. Seedance does fix that. Here's a clip that I generated with Seedance 1.5, so just watch.
Oh my god, this is literally wild, you guys. Look at the way I lip sync, and I can go on for 12 seconds without any interruption. Like, what do you want me to say?
And on top of that, Seedance gives you good control over cinematic movements. You can tell it exactly how you want the camera to move and what the characters should do, and it actually does listen quite well. The camera motion is one of its strong points, especially the zooming in and the zooming out. You will see a lot of those examples in this video along with all the prompts that I've used. It also supports clips up to 12 seconds, which is longer than most competitors right now, but the trade-off is the resolution. It only outputs in 720p, which is very important, so keep that in mind. And that said, while speech and lip syncing are its biggest strength, it definitely does fall short in other areas, and this is exactly what we're going to test today. Here's how this video is structured. First, I'll show you cinematic video examples and the prompts that I use. Second, we will focus entirely on lip syncing and compare Seedance to Veo 3 and Kling 2.6, and I'll also show you my first and last frame workflow to get more control over your generations. Third, I'll share my exact prompt structure so that you can replicate my results. Let's start with part one. One thing that I really wanted to test right off the bat was cinematic camera motion. In my last Kling 2.6 review, I honestly thought that Kling had no competition when it comes to the cinematic outputs. So I did push Seedance hard to see how it compares. I tested cinematic zooms, camera tracking, dolly shots, push-through shots, camera panning, and zooming out. I learned that Seedance actually performs surprisingly well here. The camera movements feel intentional, smooth, especially the zoom-based motion. So here are the videos that I generated with all the respective prompts. There's no need for a lot of commentary. I'll just let you watch.
She's taking on too much water!
You gave them the keys, didn't you? Answer me!
Tell me you don't love him. Look at me and say it.
Love died the day you left for the coast.
The air is too thin. One more step. Just one. The old maps were right. The city of gold wasn't a myth. It was a grave.
In this town, the truth isn't something you find. It's something you survive.
Oxygen is at 5%. Wait, that's not a rock. It's breathing.
Though in this one, yes, the camera motion, the prompt makes sense. The physics is not quite there. I'm not quite sure what this guy is doing here. He's just jumping around. It does not look real. It's kind of sad to say, almost 2026, and we still have all these morphing issues. Definitely Seedance can improve when it comes to action shots, body movement, physics overall. Also, we can generate songs, which is fun and wild at the same time. So take a look at these examples.
I can't help but smile just to think of you. Happy birthday to you.
Now, for what can you use Seedance 1.5 Pro? Short form drama, just because it generates 5 to 12 second scenes with dialogue, with emotional performance and cinematic moves. You can have clips that are short and ready for TikTok, for Reels, for YouTube. You can generate ad spots, social teasers, product demos, talking head avatars, which is probably the biggest use case for Seedance 1.5, storyboards, and more. Now, let's talk about visuals. The footage does still look a bit AI, especially comparing to Kling 2.6, which is, in my opinion, the best video model out there. You can see the heavy color grading and that polished skin effect. And the 720p resolution here does not help either. So here's an example. Notice that the tear literally looks like acrylic coming out of her eye. So this is not good. I cannot put this anywhere, except if maybe just prototyping. And this is a classic AI artifact. Mind you that this is text to video, which gives you the least control. However, image to video can help here because you can lock the look of the frame more precisely, but the difference is not massive. Here is a side-by-side comparison between text to video and image to video, so you can judge for yourself with Seedance 1.5. The lip syncing is phenomenal, but the overall look, the overall feel, I'll give this probably a 5. If it did get the tears right, I would give this an 8. Now, let's do a quick comparison between Seedance 1.5, Kling 2.6, and Veo 3.1 in the context of cinematic videos.
This is not over. This is not over.
This is not over.
This.
The overall cinematic quality and physics, I'll say that Kling still wins. But when it comes to lip syncing, Seedance is clearly ahead, which brings us to the most important part, speech and lips, especially for those who want to generate talking heads, ads, AI avatars, influencers. Watch. This right here is a video I created with a fake AI influencer, and I believe that honestly it looks phenomenal for 720p video. And the lips do not deform, they do not morph at any second, and the voice is not robotic at all, which is a breath of fresh air for me, since I've listened to all these Veo 3.1 videos on my feed.
Oh my God, this is literally wild, you guys. Look at the way I lip sync, and I can go on for 12 seconds without any interruption. Like, what do you want me to say?
So what I've done here is that I've used this image of myself. I've turned myself into a lady with Nano Banana. I've generated a second frame of the lady in a coffee shop and used them both as first and last frame with Seedance 1.5 to bring it to life. Yes, Seedance 1.5 does allow you to use both first and last frame. So let me actually show you step by step. This is my selfie. I was at an airport and I was testing Seedance 1.5, and I'll bring this image into image editing inside Enhancer and select the editing model here. You can use Nano Banana Pro or Seedream 4.5 uncensored. They both work very well. Seedream 4.5 actually is cheaper and uncensored, so you can have more control over your generation, but I'm going to use Nano Banana for this use case. Drop in my image. I'll ask it to turn myself into a woman. Very simple. Hit generate, and this is what we get. Now for the second frame, I will use the image that we just generated, this one over here, and simply prompt the woman to be drinking a matcha outside a coffee shop. Make sure that you are using 2K or 4K here for best results. Then hit generate. Boom, now we have our first and last frame. Let's head over to our video generator, to tools, video generator, and here we will find Seedance 1.5, go into image to video, and select Seedance 1.5. Upload our first and last frame and drop in this prompt. I'll say by using quotes, woman is talking to the camera saying, "Oh my God, this is literally wild, you guys. Look at the way I lip sync and I can go on for 12 seconds without any interruption, like what do you want me to say?" And quote, handheld as she is walking. I'm gonna hit generate, and this is what we get. For what it is, this is really good. But let's not get carried away because Seedance might be amazing in lip syncing and audio. Emotion is decent, if you ask me. I'm still testing that part. But physics and dynamic body movement is where this model struggles, especially morphing. To show this clearly, I generated more UGC style videos and put them side by side with Veo 3 and Kling. So here we have a product review. If you take a look at all of them, all the models perform reasonably well. This is a complex scene with lots of interactions.
Okay, I'm just gonna open this because I always get asked what the texture actually looks like. You can hear that seal break, which I weirdly love because it feels fresh. Look, here's why I use it every morning. It syncs never feels tight or dull. This is honestly one of those simple things that just works.
Okay, I'm gonna open this because I always get asked what the texture actually looks like. You can hear that seal break, which I weirdly love because it feels fresh.
Okay, I'm gonna open this because I always get asked what the texture actually looks like. You can hear that seal break, which I weirdly love because it feels fresh. Look at this. It's lightweight, not watery, not thick, just that perfect in between. This is why I...
So the issues are expected, but in terms of lip sync, Seedance wins. Then we have Kling, then we have Veo. Physics-wise, Veo performs way better than Kling, than Seedance. Here is another example.
Okay, this is my everyday lip gloss. Super smooth, not sticky, and it just makes my lips look healthy. That's it, I'm obsessed.
We can see Seedance struggling with physics again. Movement just does not behave the way that it should. I'm not quite sure why. But yeah, maybe the prompt is not that well put together. Or maybe it's just does not follow the prompt correctly. I do believe that there's a lot of work to be done here.
Okay, quick try on, because a few of you asked about the material on these. Look at this stretch. It's super flexible, but it still snaps right back into place. It's that smooth latex finish, but they don't feel like they're squeezing you. If you want that glossy look without feeling trapped, these are honestly really good.
Okay, quick try on because a few of you asked about the material on these. Look at this stretch. It's super flexible, but it still snaps right back into place.
Okay, quick try on because a few of you asked about the material on these. Look at this stretch. It's super flexible, but it still snaps right back into place. It's that smooth latex finish, but it doesn't feel stiff or restrictive at all. You can actually...
Now, Seedance wins on lip syncing, but you can see morphing on the product and weaker interaction between the lips and the objects compared to Kling or Veo. So if you really want to promote your product out there, maybe Seedance is not the model to go for unless you just need a talking head strictly and that's it without anything else happening in the frame. And this is my honest opinion. Now let's talk about the prompt structure. I have 4 things that I keep in mind always. We have the action, the dialogue, the camera, and the audio. For the action, we can start with something like he is turning to face the camera and then he smiles. Then for the dialogue, again, we have to use quotes. I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, end quote. Then we have the camera motion, slowly pushing in, zooming out, panning out, whatever it is that you are trying to do. And last, we have our VFX, our audio, maybe our background music. We can have a soft piano. We can have reverb. Something that you need to remember is that, especially if we're going to use image to video, which I believe should be the way to go, we have a start frame. And that would already define the scene for us. So we should focus on the motion and sound particularly. Here's my prompt structure that I use. You can screenshot this. But again, I only had 24 hours. And there might be other ways that you can prompt for better results. So here you have it, my friend. I believe that Seedance 1.5 Pro has officially claimed the throne for digital acting and dialogue and lip syncing, while Kling 2.6 and Veo 3 still hold the edge in complex physics and cinematic textures. Seedance, in my opinion, is the first model to truly solve the robotic mouth and audio problem. If your project relies on character's voice, maybe emotion, story, I think that this is your new to-go engine, especially for ads, as I said, or talking heads, character creation. You can start using the full power of Seedance 1.5 Pro right inside Enhancer right now by going to Tools, Video Generator, and selecting Seedance 1.5. Both text and image to video is available today. Now, thank you for being here. Thank you for spending your time with me. And I hope that you remember that the real magic of AI is not what it can do for you, but how it empowers you to do what you've always wanted, to create without limits. This is Syria.